an art. I'm already sighing because I have an idea and I know it's not going to work. So I'm just preparing myself. I've put my pillow down, Glidden Essentials Eggshell. And this is a 12-inch round. I want to make a leaf, okay? And normally I don't like swipes where you see the lines, but this time I'm going to do it on purpose. And there's like a lot of things to figure out, like how much. I probably should do it on a bigger piece, or should I use a smaller? Okay, why don't we try the smaller one first? Because I want some negative space, and I want to see like the lines of actually not a leaf, a feather or a leaf, whatever, that kind of shape. So I'm going to try to do that, and it's going to be hard. So let's get to work. Let's talk about colors. I have TLP ore, and what am I even doing? I don't even know. Like, am I going like this? I don't know. We'll see. Right? Am I going like this? Like, is this the shape I'm doing? Oh, it might be too small already. Whatever. Okay, ore. All right, then I have this. This is Holbein Compost Blue, not Compost Blue, because people think I say compost, but it's compost blue. All right, then why don't we throw a little interference? This is TLP Twinkle. I love it. It's like a violety blue interference. This is probably not gonna work. Don't worry, I'll cry when I turn the camera off. Just kidding. Okay, and what else am I gonna do? Okay, I have a lot of colors. Oh, this is a new color coming soon, TLP Supernova. It's a pink, like pinkish red to indigo color. So it shifts, it's a duo, so in different lights and over different colors, it shifts between those two. What else? And then I have this custom light blue. Oh, it's thick. I'm gonna thin it a bit with my Jo Sonja. This custom light blue that I made. I end up making a lot of my colors just to kind of get the ones that I have in my mind. Still a little thick, aren't we? As you're painting, remember you always have to adjust, because one thing that's off could really, it's still thick, but whatever. One thing that's off can really affect the whole situation. All right, and I'm using a white cell activator. I already have too much paint. And because of that, I'm using a dark color on top. This is also thick, and it is Golden Phthalo Turquoise. All right. It's totally not gonna work. And I know I'm being a negative Nancy, but I already know. Okay, so I'm gonna take my little guy here, and I'm just taking my white cell activator, which is the Shelly Art Recipe, which is Australian Floetrol and titanium white. Okay, oh God, what am I even doing? Okay. And now, between every swipe, and this is what's gonna take a minute, I have to clean the tool and go again. This isn't, okay, whatever. Don't worry, don't be negative. We got this. So this could take a minute to do. Colors are cool, at least. I go right to the middle-ish. No, see, that didn't work, Lisa. Don't panic, anybody. A lot of panicking going on. Okay. More. Okay, now we're gonna go this way. Don't worry, I'm gonna fix those edges somehow, but I'm just trying to get at least the shape going. I mean, you can't really tell what it is yet. All right, keep going. Don't give up. Okay, a little swipe to the middle here. All right. Well, that's pretty, whatever's going on over there. And some more swiping. Why don't I go like that? See if that that does anything. Okay, now let's go to the other side. At least I got a good color combo, right? Could this be the most boring video? It's very possible. All right, other side. Oh, that was a bad swipe. Okay, not looking like a leaf or a feather. There's better ways to do it, but this is how you kind of, you gotta just like get your idea out and then continue to work on it and improve it, right? I mean, the cells are cool. But now I'm gonna have to work on making it look like I did that on purpose, whatever that shape is, right? So we'll see how that goes. All right, let's leave it there for now for a moment. And this is where I get my trusty skewer. Because my skewer is going to hopefully make this make sense. Like the middle's weird, we already know that. So why don't I be like, look, I'm doing this on purpose. Everything I've done, I know exactly what I'm doing, see? All right, now for my original leaf, I was gonna like clean up the edges, but clearly we're not doing that anymore. So should I zhuzh them out? Okay, whatever that was, we don't know yet. Don't panic, you just keep working on it. I don't like what I did there. Like I still am not sure what this is. Right? The middle's kind of bothering me. And so, still thinking, don't panic yet. Whatever this is, I don't like. Okay, so what are we looking at even? I don't know. Sometimes that happens. So this is like a weird thing, right? Do I leave the middle? All right, you know what? I'm just gonna start spinning it out and we'll just see where she's going. 'Cause sometimes you don't know until you start spinning, right? Where is she going? You know what? Why don't we tilt her a bit? Because she's just a straight weird line right now. So, oh, do we have enough paint to tilt? You know what? I didn't put a lot of paint because I didn't think I was gonna be tilting. But at least, let's get this over the edge here so we can give her a good shape. No, we're just looking strange. Okay, let's tilt her over here. I think this is a fail. You know? Like it's not doing anything for me. How do we save it? Let me think. I'm gonna just spin it and I might do something else over it. wider. More in the middle. Kind of boring. So let's figure out what's going to happen with her. Like, what if I just go crazy now and just drizzle some things, you know? Like, because I don't really care what's going to happen to it, because right now it's kind of ugly. Okay, so I'm going to take my oil, I'm going to thin it out a bit, and so I can drizzle it. Drizzle it just a little bit. This could be a disaster, but we've got nothing to lose, right? So it's still pretty thick. Drizzle. Okay. So what if, okay, she's drizzly. Now, I don't want to get wet paint everywhere. All right, what am I doing, you might ask? I am simply, oops, didn't mean to do that. Gonna go like that. Okay, see, that was on purpose, except for the little air bubble there. Okay. Little air bubble here. And see, I wish that air bubble wasn't there because it made it kind of, oh, another air bubble. I know you guys are having a lot of fun. Okay, now why don't I use what's this? Ooh, this is TLP rose quartz, which is a kind of pinky situation. Should I use it? Yeah, why not? Okay, so we're gonna try to go beside the gold, if we can make it. No, we're not making it, and I'm shaking. That's okay. Woo! Okay, let's do more gold. Why don't I go gold halfway? There's a lot of boublés in this one because I just mixed it, but halfway to there. Oh shit, sticks. Look what I just did. Okay, not to worry. Okay. This is becoming a disaster. That was my fault. Okay. Where's my little... Oy, oy, oy. Okay. I can't find my little guy, but I'm going to take this and pretend we did it on purpose. Right? We totally did that on purpose. Don't worry. Okay, that was a little too thick for my liking. Okay. And we're still going. I'm not giving up. Holy shit sticks. Okay. Just a little buble. All right, what are we gonna do? It'd be cool if I had a silver, but I do not. Let's continue with the gold. Hi, Moops. I'm just making a really... No, I can't buy something. I'm making I'm trying to fix a horrible painting.
Are you doing this on vid?
I am doing a vid right now, although it's probably never going to see the light of day because it's not cool. Well, I don't know. You tell me. Hold on. Don't wait. Don't. No, wait. Don't. Hold on. Okay, I just have to focus, and then you can talk to your fans.
So, people who are listening to this video, make sure to subscribe.
Oh my God, I love that. Okay. Whew. Okay, is this ugly? Chris, what do you think?
I think I find it. Huh?
Yeah, thank I was trying to do a feather.
Oh yeah, it looks
Yeah, it looks
like
like
Does
a
it-
feather, Mom.
It looks like a feather?
Yeah.
Oh. I,
Chris had a week of
Oh. hold on. Should I do more? What part looks like a feather? Do you like the gold I'm adding?
yeah,
You like it?
yeah.
Should I do more or leave it?
Just leave it like that.
Leave it like this. Wow, this one was,
Chris has a feather in her name.
it rhymes with feather, huh?
Feather.
Okay, I think, well, Chris says leave it, so that's,
Is it Chris had a week of now?
why don't I do one, should I do one more this way?
Heather.
I'll do a little one. Okay, hold on, no more, don't talk for 1 sec. Is that good? Just like that?
Yeah, not too much.
Okay,
Yeah, it's just right.
just right.
Yeah, just-
Well, holy cannoli. Thanks for joining, everybody. I hope you enjoyed. Well, let me know what you think. Bye.